Hello friends, welcome to Salesforce Network, Salesforce Administrator Tutorials. Topic what we are going to cover in this session, that is workflow. Workflow is one of the most powerful native tools available in Salesforce. Workflow is an automated action which is performed by the system at the backend to meet business requirements, like sending confirmation mail after every credit card transaction. When we done with online shopping, an automated email will be sent with product information and price details. In order to create workflow rule, we need two things: criteria, action. Criteria, evaluation criteria. This will verify when workflows should be verified or checked. These are of three types: created, evaluate the rule criteria each time a record is created. If the rule criteria is met, run the rule, ignore all updates to existing records. Created and every time it's edited. Evaluate the rule criteria each time a record is created or updated. If the rule criteria are met, run the rule. Created and any time it's edited to subsequently meet criteria. Evaluate the rule criteria each time a record is created or updated. Rule criteria. This will specify when an action should be performed and of two types. Criteria based, criteria are met. Formula based, formula evaluates to true. Action. This will specify type of action that need to be performed when rule is met. Immediate. Perform when rule is met. Time-dependent action. Perform at given time trigger. Action types. Task. Determine the details of assignment given to a specified user. Field update. Let us automatically update a field value. Email alert. It consists of the standard text and list of recipients for email. Outbound message sends information to a designated endpoint. Steps to create workflow: setup, build, create, workflow and approvals, workflow rules, new. Step 1, choose object. Step 2, rule name. Step 3, evaluation criteria. Step 4, rule criteria. Step 5, specify action. Step 6, click done and activate rule. For example, create a workflow rule on account as object. When a new account is created with industry equals to engineering, then update rating equals to hot. Thank you. So coming back to our practical session, first we need to log in. So for creating the workflow, first we need to click on setup. Build, create, workflow and approvals, workflow rules. Click on continue button. New rule. First we need to choose object. Here I am going to take account object. Clicking on next. Role name is update account demo. Evaluation criteria, I am going with default, created and anytime it's edited to subsequently meet criteria. Rule criteria is field, industry, account industry equals to engineering. Then click on save and next. So here immediate workflow action is coming over here and add time trigger is coming. I am going with immediate workflow action and here I am going to update the field. So new field update. So here I am providing the name update account rating. On object account field to be update a rating. Field value will be hot. Click on save. Done. So we had created one workflow rule by the name update account demo, and finally clicking on activate button. So for testing I am going on account as object, clicking on new button, creating a new record. Here I am going to provide one name Aman, and his type is something like prospect, and I am taking industry equals to engineering. If I am taking industry equals to engineering, then rating should be hot. This is our workflow we had created. So clicking on save button, let's see what's happening with rating. If industry equals to engineering, then rating will be hot. Like this we are creating workflow rule. This example is updating the field, and we can, like this we can create email alert, create a task, send an outbound message. Thank you.